Yo, what's up? You may think that professional snowboarding is hard, but no. First step is you gotta have insane airflow. So like what I'm working with right now isn't really at professional level, but as you see, we work our way up. We slowly become a professional. You don't really need to know tricks at first, or you don't even need to know tricks at all. You just have to know how to be able to send it. Alright, so as you find yourself becoming more of a professional, you'll notice your personality will begin to change, and you'll just be turning into a completely different person. Next step, clothing. Okay, so you gotta just try to wear something like super baggy. Step is tricks. Okay, so professionals, you don't need to know how to triple cork. You just need to know how to do a 180, like super smooth and super stompful. How do you add style? Well, it's more to it than just bending your knees and grabbing. It's all about your attitude.